let's get to cooking. So I was having trouble on figuring out what I wanted to cook. I had some beef. I got some beef stew meat. So I was gonna do like some like steak and potatoes, mashed potatoes with a little gravy. Then I was like, nah, I love Chinese food, so we're gonna do a Asian dish with this. So let's go. Open up our meat. Dump our meat in there. So for our beef, we're gonna add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, dark soy sauce, or soy sauce, a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of sriracha, cornstarch. It's gonna add a little bit of tenderness to it and thicken up the sauce. We have our meat. We're just gonna pour it all over. It's marinating in the fridge for about 15 to 30 minutes. This has been sitting in my fridge for like a week or two, so it's kind of rotten, but it's still gonna taste the same. So we got our bell pepper. I got it from the store today. The difference was crazy, but we're gonna. I got the onion. There we go. More and more, I've been figuring out what I'm going to do with this channel, and I think I'm gonna start, because it's all about good vibes, and the main thing I created it was for good music too. So I'm trying to figure out how can I incorporate the music aspect part of it with the cooking part, because I'm not gonna be like no rapping chef like the guy who's on TikTok. That's not me. Want to be different, so I have to see how can I be different. I forgot the garlic, so I'm going to cut up this eeny. So I'm just a boy, I'm gonna be real, and sometimes I don't have everything in my kitchen to make these recipes like I should, so I have to go off the dome. And let me tell you, it took me about 5 minutes to find these 3 little cloves of garlic in my fridge. I got my hot wok. And what I'm going to do is almost done. What I'm going to do is add the onions and garlic into it. Just want to show off my little spoon. I got use a little bit of my sesame chili oil. Pour that up. Let me do a little walk. There we go. We're gonna add our beef stir fry. So this is a better angle. Looks really good. I just didn't have any parsley, and I should have threw the green onions in now, because now they're still dirty. Not dirty, but like got the sauce on them. Peppered steak. I made that video before. This is, I would say, a beef stir fry. So this is how it looks. The meat just melts in your mouth. I just want to say that. I can't describe the flavor to you. Look close. It's like a almost barbecue, Korean barbecue type of flavor. Let's see how good my editing skills are. I give it a 7.6 out of 5. It's one of these quick 30-minute meals that you can make when you're tired and don't really want to cook for the fam or just yourself. 30 minutes, easy. Fire, man. If you guys haven't, please like and subscribe, man. Hey, make sure you keep the vibes good and it eats even better. Peace.